One of the nicest touches in a home can be ceramic tile or stone. In the kitchen, bathrooms, entryway, or outdoor patio. It's beautiful and durable, but dirt and grime build up in the porous surfaces, making it look drab and creating a breeding ground for disease-causing bacteria. Chem-dry has a unique process that cleans and seals your tile, stone, and grout flooring, restoring the luster and making your home healthier. Our powerful, deep cleaning equipment blasts away and removes the dirt and grime, even in your hard-to-clean grout lines. Combined with a sanitizer, Chem-dry removes an average of 98.6% of bacteria from tile, stone, and grout. Lastly, we apply our sealant that keeps germs out, allows for easy maintenance, and restores its natural beauty. You can trust Chem-dry to leave your tile and stone floors and your home cleaner, brighter, and healthier. Chem-dry, we clean for your health like no one else.